Hey guys, for this lesson we're looking at joints, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. The skeletal system is not just made of bones, it also includes joints, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. The area where our bones meet is called a joint. Some joints allow for movement and others do not. Bones are held together at a joint by tissue called ligaments. Another type of hard tissue called cartilage keeps bones from rubbing together. Cartilage is found in babies before bones grow. Tendons connect muscles to bones. After reading these, then you have 3 questions to answer. And then we're moving right along to the next page. Here you're going to have to pause it and go back and look at what a joint, ligament, cartilage, and tendons are, or either you can do a split screen. Types of joints. Bones need to be strong to support our body. However, if we just had one large bone, then movement would not be possible. This is where joints come in. A joint is a point where 2 or more bones meet. Joints can be movable, immovable, or partially movable. There are different types of movable joints, and each type of joint allows for a different type of movement. Hinge, you have a hinge joint. Hinge joints are formed between 2 or more bones where the bones can only move along one axis to extend or flex. Think of the hinge as a door. Hinge joints can be found in the ankle, elbow, knee, fingers, and toes. Ball and socket. Ball and socket joints allow for the most range of motion. The shoulder and hip joints are the only ball and socket joints in the body. Pivot. Pivot joint allows for rotation of one bone around another. A pivot joint is found at the top of the spine and allows for neck rotation. Gliding joints are formed between bones that meet at a flat or almost flat surface. Gliding joints allow bones to glide past one another in any direction. These can be found in the carpal bones of the wrist, in the palm, and the tarsal bones of the ankle, and on the foot. Bones are alive. Bones in our body are alive and working. Old bones are broken down and new bones are formed. Actually, bones are completely new every 7 years. Inside our bones is a substance called bone marrow. Bone marrow is responsible for making blood cells for our bodies. Whenever you bleed or blood cells die, new blood cells made inside the bones replace the lost cells. Because bones are alive, they can heal themselves. When broken, fractured, or broken bones will grow new cells and repair in the process. The process can take months. Okay, these are the questions that you have to answer. And then coming up, we will have bone health. And then you have another writing prompt. Fun times.